In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink toner of your brother HL3280CDW printer. Switch on the printer and open this chamber. You can lift it from here. This will open the ink chamber and we can see the 4 ink toners, black and color. To replace them you just have to lift it and it will come out. Just lift all of the ink toners one by one. Take your new ink toner. Take the new ink toner and start placing them. So you will see it has a curve, so it should go like this. Simply place it here and it will go itself. Match the color and the alphabets. It's very easy to replace the ink toner. Press this door and close it. Go to the display panel. So this might take a few minutes to activate the ink toners and then we are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.